Unlocking everyday English. Set up alarms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to demystify a common English phrase, set up alarms. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, understanding these everyday phrases is key to sounding like a native speaker. When we talk about setting up alarms, we're referring to the action of arranging or programming alarms to alert us at specific times. Alarms can be set on various devices like phones, alarm clocks, or even on computers. It's a phrase you'll often hear in daily life, especially when discussing morning routines or appointment reminders. You might hear this phrase in a number of situations. For example, morning routine. I set up alarms for 6 a.m. to start my day early. Meeting reminders. Can you set up alarms to remind us about the weekly meeting? Medication schedules. My doctor advised me to set up alarms for my medicine times. Understanding the context in which this phrase is used can greatly improve your conversational skills. One way to remember this phrase is to associate it with the action. Every time you program your own alarm, remind yourself that you are setting up an alarm. Practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily life to get the hang of it. A common mistake learners make is confusing set up alarms with set off alarms. To set off an alarm means to cause the alarm to start ringing or to trigger it. Remember, set up is about preparation, while set off is about activation. And that's a wrap on set up alarms. We hope this video clears up any confusion and helps you use the phrase like a pro. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to set up alarms to keep your learning on track. Until next time, happy learning!